Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to study the process of fertilization. First of all, we can define the process of fertilization by which the fusion of gametes and the formation of zygote is known as fertilization. In this process, two gametes are fused to become a zygote which is developed into a new organism and the resultant zygote is a diploid. The combinations of two things, sperm and egg, when they are fused together to produce zygote, so male gamete produce sperm and the female gamete produce egg or ova. The sperm is formed in the male reproductive organs which is called testes and the egg is produced in the female reproductive organs called ovaries. Both sperm and egg contains 23 pair of chromosomes, but the human body contains 46 number of uh, total number of chromosomes, mean to say 23 pairs of chromosomes. So that is why they are called haploid cell. Why they are called haploid cell? Because this egg and sperm, this one is the sperm and this one is the egg. Egg contains 23 number of chromosomes and sperm contains 23 number of chromosomes. After the fertilization, when they are fused together, the total number of chromosomes are 46. So the zygote contains, this one is the zygote, so the zygote contains 46 number of chromosomes. Total number कितने हैं? 46 number of chromosomes. So that is why they are called reproductive cell. Egg and sperm are known as reproductive cell, but the zygote is diploid cell, so they contains 46 number of chromosomes. In the process of fertilization, the haploid cell is converted into the diploid cell. So that was all about the fertilization. If you like this video, share it with your friends and fellows and subscribe to my channel.